Hi guys, in this episode of Shri series, we're going to be talking about finding percentage change. Alright, so I've got two questions that involve a percentage increase and another question that involves percentage decrease. Alright, so if you looked at my previous video, we talked about trying to find percentage increase and percentage decrease using a set of numbers. But in this case, we're going to be using problem applications, right? So we've got a set of problems, and how do we try to use our concept of percentage change in the two sets of problems that I will outline shortly. All right, so let's look at the first question. I'll read it out. The price of PlayStation 3 or PS3 increased from $250 to $300. Calculate the percentage increase. All right, so you can see that from the question that this is a percentage increase, because you can see that this price of a PlayStation 3 increased originally from $250 to $300. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to calculate the difference. So the difference is finding the final amount, which is $300 minus $250, which is $50. All right, now this one most students understand, where they try to find the percent, or should I say the difference in the amount, where you subtract the original, which is $250, and the final, which is $300. So getting $50 or getting the difference is not a hard thing. All right, so I like to put that as the difference so you can see what we do from there. All right, now the next thing is we want to find out, what is it over? Is it over 250 or is it over 300? Always remember, the denominator is the original amount. So in other words, it's going to be over your original amount. All right, so it's going to be here in this situation 50 divided by 250 multiplied by 100. All right, now because it's a percentage increase, you have to multiply it by 100, because the maximum percentage is 100%. All right, so what we need to do is get the difference of 50 divided by 250 multiplied by 100, and you're going to get 20%. All right, so what that means is that is a 20% increase. So in other words, if you get 20% of 250 as an increment, that will amount to $300. All right, so what this question tells you is that from that increase to $250 to $300, there is a 20% increase. All right, so the first thing you need to do is find the difference, which is 300 minus 250. You're going to get $50 divided over my original, which is 250, multiplied by 100, because it's a percentage. All right, so that's an example of a percentage increase question. Let's look at a percentage decrease question here. All right, so I'll read it out. The population of a town decreased from 3,500 to 3,000 residents. Calculate the percentage decrease. Now you can tell this is easily a percentage decrease question, because the population started off with 3,500 and then reduced to 3,000. All right, so we want to find the percentage decrease. All right, so just like the previous one, you want to find out or calculate the difference. So what you do there, you go 3,500 minus 3,000, and you're going to get 500. All right, and it's now going to be over your original, which is 3,500. Now please take note, in the previous question the original was the lower number, whereas in this one here the original is 3,500. all right, so you started off originally at 3,500 and then it dipped down, it reduced to 3,000. So what's going to happen here is you're going to get 500 divided by 3,500 and multiplied by 100. Like I said before, it is a percentage question, so therefore it's got to be multiplied by 100. So you're going to get 14.3%. All right, so that's 14.3% as a decrease. All right, so what that tells you is the population decreased from 3,500 to 3,000, and that was a 14.3% decrease. All right, so two things you need to understand in finding a percentage change, whether it's an increase or a decrease. First step here, find the difference between O for original and final. And the second one is divide by the original and multiply it by 100. All right, so that's it, guys. Thanks for listening. In the next set of videos, we will be talking about discounts, profit and loss, ratios, as well as commission. All right, thanks for listening, guys. Bye now.